Welcome back to BK42. This bike is celebrating 1 year and 4,000 kilometers of intense use. I've been riding this bike almost every day since I bought it, during the summer and the winter as well. I will start talking about the handlebar grips. They are the only parts needing to be replaced so far. The rubber is gone. As you can see, it looks and feels bad. The handlebar is still perfect and the steam clamp is holding tight. It's not making any noise whatsoever. The front suspension has not changed. As I said in the bike review a year ago, this is not one of the best qualities of this bike. But it works. The travel is too short. I keep it either locked or very hard to minimize the bumps. The tires are indeed a good surprise. I was expecting them to be of a lower quality, but they are still quite new. As we can see, all the treads are still there. Another good surprise is the hydraulic brakes. I was expecting to replace the brake pads after 1 year using this bike, but they are still good. They are actually very good. I'm not going to replace them too soon. The frame is very well built. I cannot complain about it. I fold the bike all the time and the folding mechanism is still perfect. No noises, nothing loose, a solid build. The small aluminum pedals are like new, with no noises, working like a charm. So let's talk about the batteries, the most sensitive part on any e-bike. Lithium batteries' lifespan is about 2 or 3 years. I have Samsung cells and they are still keeping the charge very well. I can clearly see a small decrease in its capability, something like 6 or 7% less than 1 year ago. It means that the range is a bit smaller. But anyway, that was expected. I recharge the battery once per week. I used to hear a lot of noises coming from the battery compartment, and I have found an easy and cheap way to fix it. From what I see, this is quite normal on such folding e-bikes. I will post the fixing video very soon. The Bafang motor is great, very fast and the torque's amazing. Problem free, really. One thing I cannot recommend is this saddle. This is not the original one, I bought it elsewhere. It looks good, it's very comfortable, but makes a terrible noise. The bike sounds like an old bike. I hate it. The only replaced part was the rear hack. I ordered this new one from Nakomile because I want to have it bigger. The original was good though. It's just a matter of design. The lights are great, not much to talk about then. The chains and the gears are working very well. I'm very often lubricating and adjusting the moving parts. Actually, I keep this bike very well preserved. During the past year, I never needed to stop the bike for servicing. I'm doing the basic maintenance at home and that's all. It's a very good and solid bike. I don't regret buying it. I would buy it again if I had to. I have a lot of fun riding this bike. This bike is safe, fast and problem-free. With that, we come to the end of the 1 year review. And you know what to do. Please comment, like and subscribe. Ciao!